I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. On Thursday, December 20th, I'm going to take another look at Green Mountain here. I'd mentioned the other day that this 4260 was really a key level. That was a real big high here, kind of a climax high. You'll notice that this occurred, look at the volume down here. This high occurred on lower volume than the initial breakout. Now, typically when that happens, you'd expect more of a pullback than we got here. Just didn't get much of a pullback in Green Mountain at all, and that's a good thing for the bulls. Look, this is kind of a tough pattern to trade because you can hardly look at this as consolidation here. It's really more like just a new uptrend. So what I'd suggest doing is, it's actually pretty simple. Just keep a trailing stop running along a trend line like this. Kind of hard to use any particular moving average. I guess you could use the 8-day or the 10-day moving average. But instead, just keep this trend line intact, and as long as Green Mountain stays above there, you're good to go. If you're looking for an entry, this is probably not the time. You should already be long. I've been talking about this for a while, but you may be new. If you want to be long, wait for some type of a pullback to buy, right? No, wrong. Wait for a pullback to buy and then evidence that the stock is actually still being accumulated. And that would occur when you see another one of these little open green boxes like that. That'll tell you that the close is higher than the open. Again, after the pullback, all we're seeing now is closes that are higher than the open. But my bet is in the next couple days, it's kind of hard to trade, by the way, around the holidays. That's why I don't do much of it. Instead, I sift through the C's candies and find the good ones and just leave the ones with the bites taken out of them for somebody else. It's hard to trade these days, but what I'd suggest doing is just using this trend line and staying long the stock as long as it rewards you, because you look out like this time frame and you can see a big long base, and now it could be just the start of a trend higher. So, okay, members, over to the strategy session. We're looking at financials and home builders, a couple retailers, and then of course RIM. I got your trade for you.